Good morning, students. In the previous class, you have learnt about fundamentals of your computer, like what is a computer, and we have discussed about parts and input devices, output devices. So, working of your computer. And today, you are going to know about few concepts in internet. So, what is the internet, and then what is a web page, what is a web browser, and what are the uses of internet. So, these are the few things you are going to know about the concept called internet. So, this year you are going to know a few more concepts related to how to create a web page. So, this is going to be a basics for your this year. And let us start with the introduction. The internet or net, it is actually a network of networks, is the largest computer network in the world that connects billions of computer users. So internet, it is actually stands for international network. So it combines lot of computers, billions of computers users together to share and receive the information throughout the worldwide. The word internet comes from the combination between interconnection and network. So it is now short form, it is called as internet actually. And network, what is actually a network? Network is a collection of computers and devices connected via communication channels and transmission media allowed to share resources. So internet actually, it is a network of networks. Okay, so what is a network means? It is a collection of group of computers that will be connected either physical wires or any devices used for transmitting our data. So this is the introduction about internet. So internet means international network, and then it is a network of networks computer connected together to share and receive information. And then we usually often confuse between what is web and then internet. You might have heard about www web. Okay, so what is actually a difference between web and the internet? Internet means collection of networks that connect millions of businesses, government agencies, educational institutions and individuals. Lot of websites are available under the concepts of government agency, education institution. Every education institution have their own website. So internet means it is a collection of networks. And then what is www, World Wide Web? Means we used to access the information over the internet. That is different communication protocols. Protocols means set of rules and regulations will be there. We have to follow according to the, for communication we have to follow certain rules. And then hyperlink, that enable users to jump from one place to another on the web. I will show you an example for hyperlink. At that time you will be able to know what is a hyperlink. Okay, and then the next concept is web page. So in this year, particularly in 8th standard, you are going to know only about how to create a web page. Okay, almost all the chapters it is based upon how to create a web page and enhance your web page. So what is actually a web page? Web page is a document or resource of information that is suitable for World Wide Web and can be accessed through a web browser and displayed on monitor or mobile device. So for example, if you want to search flowers, okay, what you will do? You will open Google and you will type and click the search button. You will be listed with the different links, that is the hyperlink. See here, so flower Wikipedia, and then this is also one kind of hyperlink. So if you click this link, what will happen? It will take you on to the next page, as you can see here. So first page you can see I have typed flowers and then I have clicked another link, flower. So it took me to the next page displaying different kinds of flowers. Actually, this is a web page. Web page means it is a kind of document that will be listed out with your links, and it can be accessed only by a web browser. So let me explain you what is a web browser now. So web browser means a software application for retrieving, presenting and traversing information resources on the World Wide Web. It allows to locate, view and navigate the web. So web browser means it is an software actually for retrieving our data. So you can see different types of web browser. So Google Chrome is there, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, Safari and then Netscape Navigator. So these are few types of web browser. Otherwise we can say few examples for web browser. So without a web browser we cannot search or retrieve any information. Okay, most of us are using I think Google Chrome. Okay, so these are the examples for web browser. So now you see with the definition, a software application for retrieving, presenting and traversing information resources on the www. So this web browser allows to locate, view and navigate the web. So it can have a GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface, for displaying our text and other forms of multimedia such as sound we can retrieve, and then video or any other animated forms of pictures we can, if you want to download or if you want to upload, you can upload using your web browser. So these are the examples given and I have shown you. First web browser was developed in the year 1991. Mosaic, developed by Mark Anderson. So the name of the first web browser was Mosaic. In the year 1991 it was developed. Okay, so few examples for web browser it is shown here. And then, so what are the uses of internet? So what purpose we are using internet? So nowadays we depend mostly upon internet. For what various purpose we are using? So first thing, for communication. Main usage of internet is communication. So if you want to communicate from one place to another place to a person, we can go for internet connection. And then for doing research and then for education purpose, we depend upon only nowadays online. So we use internet for education, and then financial transaction and for latest updates. Okay, so let me see one by one. So first one is communication. So communication, so through communication we can share and receive data in the form of image, or it can be a text, or it can be a document form, or it can be graphical format. So it includes the process of collecting, processing, distributing, sharing, retrieving, transferring and storing our information. So internet now being a main communication tool. So using internet facility we can make a video call also, video conferencing, and then make internet phone, messenger, email. So lot of apps are there for communication. With the use of internet connection facility, we can communicate through anyone in the world. And then research. So for doing research, so one have to use internet for gathering the information. So in order to do research, you need to go through hundreds of books as well as references, and that was one of the most difficult jobs to do earlier. Research is one such thing which has got lot of benefit from this evolution of internet. So in the earlier days, we have, if you want to do some research, we have to depend upon library for gathering some informations from the books we want. Nowadays it is available in PDF format, e-books is there, electronic books is there. So it becomes more easier for the researchers to do their research in the particular field. And then education. As I told you, education is one of the best thing that internet can provide. So lot of information is available using internet we can gather, and we are connecting through online classes through internet. There are number of books, reference book, online help centers, experts view, other study oriented material can be available in internet. Okay, so if we search lot of education oriented things, you can go for internet. And then financial transaction, yes, this is the one best thing that internet has provided us. So from sitting in our own place, we can transfer money from one person to another person. So I think you most of us are aware about GPay, Paytm. So online transactions make easier for a user. Financial transaction is the term which is used when there is exchange of money. So when there is, if we want to exchange money, we can go for financial transaction through online. With the use of internet in financial transaction, your work has become a lot easier. So instead of going to the bank and standing for hours, so we can, sitting in our own home, we can we can do some transaction. With the ability to do the financial transaction easily over the internet, you can purchase or sell items so easily. Yes, through lot of online websites, shopping websites are there. If you want to order anything online, we can purchase, or if you want to sell items also, that is also available, and it makes our work easier. And then the next concept we are going to know about is, next class we are going to discuss about is how to create our web page. Okay, so what are the tools required, any what are the softwares required, we will discuss in the next class. So for this today's session, I have given the worksheet. So just a basic English dialogues about internet. So for example, dialogue 1, dialogue 2 and dialogue 3. Okay, so here the conversation is given. You have to just fill up the correct word. So you just go through, read the entire conversation, and you have to fill the words given. You have to choose the words given, and you have to maintain a notebook and start writing your worksheet number 2. Okay children, we will continue in the next class. The answers will be discussed in the next class. Take care children. Thank you.